If you do suffer from lymphedema or varicose veins, this product might be what you are looking for. Hello everyone, once again this is Mel and welcome to RamabelleTV. I have here an organic varicose lotion, a nature skin lymphatic lotion or a varicose lotion, and we are going to unbox this first. Without further ado, let's do the unboxing first. By the way, I bought this product last October 31 and I received this last November 3 from Lazada, and it is sold by Nature Skin. So buksan muna natin. Nakabalot ng gusto sa bubble wrap. Okay, here it is. Nature Skin Lymphatic Lotion. So it is 100 grams. So tanggalin pa rin natin itong plastic. It seems it's an oil. By the way, this is worth 299 pesos plus 40 pesos shipping fee with a total of 339 pesos. This is the very first time that I'll be using this, especially I wanted to use it with my hand. So if you see, ayan, may mga varicose veins tayo sa kamay. Di ba masyado? Okay, so madalas kasi ito ang ginagamit natin sa pag-work. That's why di maiwasang magkaroon ng varicose veins. So I have to use and observe it first before I make a final update for this product. But for those who are already using this product, you may comment down below for your experience. But let's try it first. So it's just like a cream. So we are going to massage the lotion into clean and dry area with varicose veins. So I try natin sa aking kamay over here. Or swell. So it means you have to massage it over here. So you have to do this 2 to 3 times a day. At makikita daw ang results 7 to 14 days. So, let us see and find out. In fairness, mabango siya. Thank you everyone for watching, and please don't forget to like, share, and subscribe to my channel, RamabelleTV, and click the notification bell for you to be notified to our next video. Thank you very much, and God bless. Keep safe.